best deals. In today's video, let's review some of the trending kitchen cookware holder stand. Based on the type of food, the cutlery used varies and has to store according to the ease of usage. Cutlery stands for your house are an efficient solution to organize and store the cutlery very easily and also enhance the beauty of one's kitchen. Don't limit the use of your kitchen utensil holder to the kitchen. Bring it to your workspace and turn it into a desk organizer. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Shelves. Expandable and stackable cabinet shelves provide cabinet space for dishes, bowls, and more. Perfect for kitchen, cupboards and shelves. Expand to it from end to end within cabinet. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the rack is designed to resist bending and wear, ensuring longevity. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Chakla Belen Stand. A compact product which can be mounted on the wall and can beautifully hold the chakla and belen, easily remove and wash. Easily lift to clean tiles behind the chakla belen. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Glass and Spoon Organizer. Designed to efficiently organize 6 glasses and cutlery, keeping your kitchen and dining area neat. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Pot and Tawa Stand. This organizer can be used for pots and pans, lids, cutting boards, cookware, bakeware and more. It can effectively expand the kitchen space, comes with damping guide rail, slides out all the way, providing you with easy access, comes with 8 adjustable dividers that can be customized according to the size of the items. Pull-out pots and pans organizer made of thickened carbon steel material, which ensures stability and durability even under heavy load of the pots, lids, frame, pans and more. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Bowl Storage Holder. Maximize your kitchen space with our versatile kitchen stand organizer, perfect for arranging bowls and plates. Its sleek design seamlessly integrates with any decor, providing both functionality and aesthetic appeal. A must-have kitchen rack kitchen organizers. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Cutlery Holder. The hanging shelf is made of sturdy, durable aluminum alloy. The widened shelf allows you to keep more things and it prevent from slipping. The countertop is widened to stack more items. It has a top fence rod to avoid falling of the products. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Cutlery Holder. The base is made of oak and the utensil holder is made of premium plastic which makes our flatware caddy more durable. It looks beautiful too. It has 3 cylinders, each with a pattern of spoons, forks and chopsticks. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Dish Drying Rack. Has a durable plastic drainboard and premium stainless steel which can effectively prevent rust and deformation. And you can clean the rack easily by rinsing it under a running tap. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Plate Rack. Made from stainless steel material, nickel chrome plated. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with a chrome-plated finish, this rack ensures longevity and resistance to rust and corrosion. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Wall Hanging Hooks. Magic Sticker protects against water and provides extra strength and durability. Much better than suction cup products which keep falling down no matter how smooth the base surface is. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Storage Rack. Foldable multipurpose 4-tier tall unit for kitchen is designed with wheels and breathable hollow designed to hold books, magazines, plants and collectibles perfect for the school, office, and home. Elegant and modern design that fits well and will be a reliable storage solution. The metal hasp and the hook provides more stability. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Utensil Holder. This storage rack can realize tidy storage of kitchen tableware. The kitchen can be properly stored to solve your confusion. 360 degrees rotation, easy to take and place in 1 second, and gently turn the knife, chopstick spoon, chopping board. The drain pan at the bottom of the tool rest can be disassembled for quick draining and convenient maintenance. The detachable barrel body is convenient for cleaning, and it is reasonably placed in different areas to keep it clean. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Cup holder. Made of all natural bamboo, Its eco-friendly material adds a touch of simplistic beauty to the kitchen. The compact size takes minimal room on the counter, freeing you more room to work with. This plate stand is a breeze to clean. Just wipe it with a clean cloth. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Storage Organizer Rack. Come with hemmed corners to safeguard your hands. Steel pipes and removable plastic are highly durable with a skid-resistant surface that hinders from sliding or scratching. Can be adjusted to any layout of desirable space. Sturdy racks to keeps the items in place. Adjustable horizontally and expandable vertically, has hassle-free installation to fit accordingly. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Dish Drainer. Redefine your sink space with this compact yet powerful kitchen bartan rack that organizes everything from spoons to serving plates. Advanced drainer tray system keeps water flowing in your countertop dry. No more puddles, no more mess, just fresh, dry utensils every time. Built with premium grade stainless steel. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Pan Rack. With 7 fully adjustable compartments, the spot rack adapts to fit various cookware sizes, from small lids to large pans, giving you flexibility to organize your kitchen as you need. This ensures that even your oddly sized or oversized pieces have a secure spot, maximizing every inch of storage. Made from high-quality ABS plastic with steel wire. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Corners Rack. Boost your kitchen cupboard storage quickly and easily with this 3-tier corner plate rack. It maximizes the vertical space in any cupboard, counter or under sink area with a large surface area suitable for plates and pans. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Belin and Chakla Stand. Comes with both the options of hanging on the wall and standing on the surface to provide protection. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Plate Stand. This versatile kitchen rack serves as a plate stand for kitchen, utensil stand for kitchen, and dish rack for kitchen. Its compact design is perfect for small spaces and it can be easily installed in any corner of the kitchen, providing efficient use of space. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Kitchen Organizer. Features 3 spacious tiers with chrome-plated steel construction for efficient dish and utensil organization in your kitchen. Blue plastic drip trays on each level collect water effectively, keeping your counter dry and clean. Accommodates up to 15 to 20 plates, bowls, and dishes across 3 levels with dedicated utensil holder on the side. Compact vertical design maximizes counter space while providing ample drying area for your kitchenware. Premium stainless steel frame ensures stability and durability, with rust-resistant finish for long-lasting use. Premium stainless steel 3-tier kitchen organizer, the ultimate space-saving, multifunctional storage rack designed to keep your kitchen neat, dry, and organized. The modern, open-frame design allows for quick air drying while adding a premium look to your kitchen. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Storage Organizer. The stainless steel rods expand from 50 to 68 centimeters, allowing for customization based on your space. Each side of the frame features 2 screw holes for optimal height installation. This multifunctional shelf unit is easy to clean and install, providing a safe and durable solution for creating additional storage space in your home. Product link is given in the 21st link.